Once there was a small but brave cat named Kitten. Kitten lived in a small neighborhood, where a large group of dogs would often roam the streets. One day, as Kitten was playing outside, the pack of dogs began to approach her. Without hesitation, Kitten confidently walked towards the dogs and began to swipe her sharp claws at them. The dogs were taken aback by the brave cat's fierce display and quickly retreated. From that day on, the pack of dogs never dared to bother Kitten again, and she became known as the bravest cat in the neighborhood.